Hi. Check out my new updates. I'm Amy Rose. I'll be your educational assistant for chemistry, life sciences, and others. Now, we will talk about reactivity series of metals. In this series, you can either go by ascending order or descending order. The metals which are highly reactive like potassium, sodium, lithium, and others. The metals on the other hand which are highly unreactive like silver, gold, platinum, and others. The question is, will the least reactive metal displace the highest reactive metal? No, it's not so. This does not react the highest reactive metal, so we cannot define this reaction. For example, let us take sodium and iron. When we react with sulphate, that is SO4. So, we write Na2SO4 plus Fe. Note that iron has a little less reactive metal, which now forms FeSO4 plus Na. We put number 2, lets you balance the reaction. But if you have reversed the selection of these metals, for example, suppose silver and sodium, we have to react with chloride Cl2. This cannot react to form sodium chloride as a salt. The order we have selected is incorrect. Now, as we move on, we will learn the types of reactions. Combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. Let's start with combination reaction. A combination reaction, also known as a synthesis reaction, where two or more elements or compounds combine to form a single compound, or product. We write the general form of equation as reactant A plus reactant B, which forms a product AB. For example, magnesium oxide, MgO, combining with carbon dioxide CO2 to produce magnesium carbonate, MgCO3. Note that magnesium carbonate is a product. To keep the equation balanced, we must put the appropriate number at the left side of some reactants and products. Next, we will talk about decomposition reaction. That is, one reactant breaks down into two products. These reactions often involve an energy source such as heat, light, or electricity that breaks apart the bonds of compounds. The reactant AB breaks into two products, A and B. This is such kind of a reversible reaction. For example, take sodium chloride, NaCl. Applying electrolysis, we get two products, sodium and chlorine respectively. Next, we will talk about displacement reaction. That is, one element replaces into another element in a compound. Take two reactants A, B, and C. This becomes two products, A and BC. For example, as you have seen this earlier in reactivity series of metals, let's make a new reaction. For example, potassium, K, reacts with sulfuric acid. This becomes potassium sulphate, and hydrogen, forming into two products. Last but not least, double displacement reaction. This type of chemical reaction where two compounds react, forming two new compounds or products. Let's just say AB and CD are two reactants. They form into two products AC and BD. For example, silver nitrate, AgNO3, and sodium chloride reacts to form two products, silver chloride AgCl, and sodium nitrate, NaNO3. We therefore conclude that sulfates and nitrates are the aqueous solution, and sodium, silver etc. show solids. So like, comment, and subscribe for this video. See you soon.